Okay, so moving on to question 3 of work for the study plan, chapter 1. So question 3 is asking us in figure 5.1, the magnitude of D is closest to when the vector D equals vector B minus C. So we're given here on our graphs, we see vector 1 over 33 degrees, and we see vector C with a 22 degrees. But we know that we cannot use the sign, so we gotta use the cosine. So if we know that's 62, then the opposite of the 62 is gonna be the 68, because 68 plus 22 equals the 90 degrees. That's the quadrant 4. So to start this problem, we need to figure out the magnitudes for B. So B will be 5.6 cosine of 33 degrees minus I, because this is in the third quadrant, and third quadrant corresponds to a negative x, plus 5.6 sine of 33. This comes out to 5.6 cosine 33, 4.7, negative 4.7, plus 5.6 sine of 33, 3.05 J. And let's do the same thing for C. C is 4.8 cosine of the 68 degrees. I plus 4.8 sine of the 68. This comes out to, see, I already did the work, so this comes out to 1.80 I plus 4.5 J. So they're asking this, we're gonna move on to this part. We're gonna subtract these both magnitudes. So start off with what the B is given. So B is negative 4.7 I plus 3.05 J minus, because that's what they're looking for, minus 1.80 I plus 4.5 J. And what we're going to do now is that we're going to distribute this minus to these values. So when we do that, we get negative 4.7 I plus 3.05 J, negative 5.80 I, negative 4.5 J. So when we combine like terms, we're going to end up with negative 6.50 I, and then negative 1.5 J. So these are values when we do the subtraction. Now to find the D, we're gonna square root our values for B minus C. So we end up with 6.50 square root, not minus, I'm sorry, this addition, plus negative 1.5. Either way, I just write out these negatives because it's part of the equation, part of the problem, but you don't need to, because anything that's going to be squared, or minus squared, is what's going to end up positive. So once you find your answer, once you square root, the end result is going to be 6.6. So 6.6 corresponds to letter A.